Uh, Hello. Uh, oh, okay. Welcome again. I just checked the sound quality is fine, so everything's gonna be fine as well. And we have a zero frame drop today. Okay, so it was unexpected, but yeah, it is what it is. So we're going to do a project review again. Basically, it's an event review and the series of event. Okay, so we'll be talking about it, and mostly we'll be focusing on the trading fair we have here. Okay, not the trading fair, particularly it's a trading competition. Okay, so I'll be showing you or guiding you how you can do that and how to participate on it. And yes, you won't. You won't regret the rewards. Okay, so nothing to worry about. And about the alpha, okay, so it has ended recently, but yet I'll be also talking about it. And I will try to visit their official website, okay, if I get enough time, so that we get enough confirmations. Either you want to hold this token or not, but you need positive signals, which we call a green flag, right? Yeah. So there are a lot of stuff. Okay, so we are going to cover. So hang in there and make sure you are interacting. And recently you have seen the competition ongoing, right? That you have to comment and win. And those who does the comment the most times gets rewarded. Okay, like you can get up to $17. Okay, so $17 a day, and getting in the top position is so hard because there are a lot of participants. So the numerous in the end, what you are going to get. Okay, so yes, I mean, if you are doing something, if you are working on to something, and if you are not getting paid or if you are not getting rewarded, so what is the point of doing that thing, right? So yes, I'll be also showing you or guiding you what are the necessary steps. Okay, so that was the official announcement about Codatta. Okay, so and in short, the token name is XNY. Okay, XNY. So the trading competition is live. Okay, and most importantly, we have to look out the market sentiment as well before we dive into the trading competition. It is highly volatile right now. Okay, so you have to be careful enough. So before diving in, we need to uh, look for a lot of things. We need to look for a lot of things. So just get into them one by one. Uh, okay, so let's just go through the official announcement first. Okay, so then we'll be visiting the page where we can actually participate in the trading competition, and obviously I need the charts. Okay, so hold on. From where do I open the chart? Yes, if I click on trade now, it's going to open the XNY chart. Okay, so we'll be getting the XNY chart, and then definitely gonna get some info what is going on with this sudden dump. So almost 20% down. And if we take a good look at the daily change, that is the daily change. Holy moly. Okay, so how can this even possible? So it dropped from around this area. Okay, so it was at 0.005. Now it is at 0.002. So the thing is here right now. By the way, that's a great thing. I mean, you have the upper hand right now. So if you participate in the trading fair, or if you manage to hold, or if you manage to trade, I mean, in a possible way, in a strong way, you can just observe the things that it dropped from 0.0033 and right now it is at 0.0024. And if you manage to trade right now and it happened to rise again, okay, it happened. I mean, just by looking at the scenario, you can clearly say it is going to get enough support here. But if it does not get enough support here, definitely it's going to fall furthermore. So at those stages, okay, those stages are actually called what? Those stages are actually called the support areas. Okay, so in this support area, why it is red? Okay, hold on. Let me just recolor it. So if it breaks down to this support area, definitely it is not going to cover. And what you are going to need to do this thing, okay, so you have to be quick enough, okay, so to generate the volume. Obviously trading fair is containing the generating volume, right? So the volume should be your first priority out there. Okay, okay, so let's see what we get here, and we'll be talking about this. We'll be talking detailed about this. Nothing to worry about. So knowledge asset protocol. Basically, knowledge asset protocol. Codatta. So Codatta trading competition is live. Join and share 2 million XNY as a reward. Okay, so the reward is 2 million XNY tokens, and you have to just participate in the trading competition. And as it is a trading competition, you have to rank. You have to have some rank in the leaderboard. Then you can get some reward. So the details are as follows. We'll be looking into this. And in the meantime, if you got any queries, any questions regarding this, just ask. Okay? Just ask in the comment section. Okay? And yeah. React. Okay, so react as much as you can. You can react more than once. Okay, so and the limit is I don't know yet. Okay, so the limit is unknown now, because I have tried, like I have reacted around 100 times, more than 100 times on a particular streamer's stream. Okay, so that was like, what is going on? Why I can and why I am able to spam that like button. Okay, so yes, that is I guess that is a feature. Okay, so to increase the engagement from a user. So that's a great initiative from Gate as well. So I appreciate that. So you can see that they have given a straight forward announcement and strategies and details out there. Okay, so through a post. So let's go through it. So Gate is currently holding the Codatta in short XNY trading competition. Join right now and share the 2 million XNY reward prize pool. Okay, so that's great. And if I click join now, the page is going to look like this, and this page is going to load in a different tab. Okay, so campaign period is from July 25th to August 1st. Okay, so we have enough time left, like around 2 days left. So yes, act fast. So to talk about the first activity, we have here why only 100? Okay, okay, sorry, I found it. So the activity 1 is about a race to the XNY trading leaderboard for 1.6 million. Okay, so I saw 160k on the, I mean, it is the reward for the first place. Okay, so There was a mere misunderstanding out there. And during the event, users who have no less than $5,000 worth of XNY spot trading volume can share the 1.6 million XNY rewards based on their XNY spot trading volume ranking. So obviously you have to rank, okay, so you have to make a decent rank so that you can consider yourself as a holder, or consider yourself as a winner out there. Okay, so the details as, okay, so you have to generate $2 million as a spot trading volume on XNY. Your reward is like 160k XNY tokens. So according to the current tokens are equal to what's your more or less $400. So you can earn up to $400 just by ranking top, and obviously you have to generate a volume of $8 million. Okay, you have, if you want to claim that position, what you have to do, let's see, yeah, you have to generate a total trading volume of $6.5 million on XNY USDT pair. So I hope you are understanding what is going on here. So you have to just generate the volume, okay? You don't have to do anything else. And as you are going to generate this much amount of volume, obviously make sure you have VIP enabled. Okay, so you have VIP level out there. Okay, so if you don't have VIP level, the trading fee is going to be huge here. Okay, so there will be more trading fees than the reward itself. Okay, so make sure using your VIP level, and your trading of a gate increasing day by day. Okay, so and we have seen that recently they have ranked top on generating futures volume. Okay, so that's great achievement. That's one of the biggest achievement they have ever gained. Okay, and obviously they are going to touch more and more milestones. Okay, so we wish the very best luck for them, right? So obviously, if you manage to generate up to $6.5 million on XNY USDT pair trading volume, so your rewards are going to be like 100. This is a great deal as well. But if you manage to generate $6.5 million, okay, so you should have managed to generate $8 million. Okay, so try to figure out how you can actually generate the next $2.5 million. Okay, so that's a great thing. Okay, and it is not at all an hard task as well. I mean, if you're generating this much, yes, you can also go for $10 as a XNY USDT pair trading volume, obviously in spot trading volume. So then you can actually claim up to 65k XNY tokens. Okay, so compared to the first and second position, this reward is so less, but yet the requirement is also lesser here. Okay, so like it has decreased by half from the second position, so that's why the rewards are half as well. Okay, so there are two sides of the coin. You have to just watch out, not the one side only. So, and you cannot judge anything just by watching or seeing the one side of the story, okay, or hearing the one side of the story. So you have to hear both the sides, or look into both the sides as well. And about the next thing, we have a different thing out there. Okay, so different position mechanism. So if you want to claim the next position, so the next position is not in particular. Okay, so it is a kind of ranged. It is ranging from 4 to 50 positions. So if you want to claim this position, or if you want to rank in this position, you have to generate a total trading volume of $350k. Okay, so if you manage to generate this much amount of volume on XNY trading pair, yes, definitely it is going to work out. Okay, definitely it is going to work out. So if you manage to rank in between 4 to 50, the rewards are like this. Okay, so you are going to equally share 320k XNY tokens. Among those, it is 47 people. So this why the network just dropped. So the network has been restored again. Okay, there was a network drop. Okay, now it is fine, I guess. Now it is totally fine. So nothing to worry about. So I think the 4th to 15th position rankings and rewards are clear to you guys that if you manage to rank in between 4 to 50, okay, you have to, the requirement is you have to generate around 350k trading volume, okay, as on spot trading on XNY USDT pair. And the trading volume is you have the total volume. Obviously you have to generate more than that to one doesn't count, okay. Obviously you have to generate more than that to one doesn't count, okay. So there will be and this is not equality distribution, okay. So this is going to be rank based distribution. So to manage or to get the good rank, to get a good rank, definitely you have to generate more volume than $5,000, right? So if you manage to manage to gain more than $5,000 as the trading volume on XNY USDT pair, you can get a share from 925k XNY tokens, okay. So that should be fine by you guys. Okay, that should be fine by you guys. So we have the link out there. So that was the phase, and looks like it is actually getting some support out there. So let's see if it gets enough support out there right now. Okay, on it. Let's see if I have, that is the official interface or official website from there. So let's talk about the activity 2 we have here. Okay, let's talk a little bit. And by then, if you have any queries, any questions regarding this, just ask in the comment section, okay? Just ask in the comment section and I will try to figure out, or I'll try to address them as follows. So to talk about the activity 2, we have so many things, okay? So exclusive benefit for newcomers, share extra 200k XNY rewards. So a lot of the coins said hello sir. Okay, you don't have to call me sir, by the way. And yeah, welcome to the stream. I think you are new here, right? So welcome. Welcome to the stream. Okay. So activity 2 is totally for the newcomers, okay? So let's see. So during the event, new users who register and reach spot trading volume of $2,000 or futures trading volume of $10,000 will receive a 1,000 XNY reward. The total prize pool is 200k XNY. First come, first serve. Okay, so this is first come, first serve service. Okay, and even though it is a new for newcomers, but it is going to be served fast come fast. So you just asked, is the market bullish or bearish? It is kind of neutral, and there are so many events ongoing into the market, so you have to stick to the plan. Okay, so the plan was we are going to hold. Okay, we're going to hold. That's why I'm not giving any kind of regular stream or giving out any kind of regular strategies, trades. Okay, and you ask a lot, by the way, so hold on. I may have to copy your comment and translate because the translator is not working out there. So you said which coins are trending today. So about to talk about the trending token, it is XNY. And you are just spamming the default questions, right? Don't spam too much. So you expect to be a continuous rise. Okay, that's great. And a lot of the coins also said something in Arabic. So you guys do talk in Arabic. I didn't understand what you have written or said. And in English, it is kind of weird word. Okay, so let's talk about the thing out there. Okay, so you have to register from here. Okay, so if you do not register from here, you are not going to be eligible for this event. Okay, so if you are a new user and you are planning to participate in this event, or you are planning to uh, join in this event and you don't have any account in Gate, okay, buddy, you are welcome, and try to register from this link. Okay, try to register from this link, and that's a good thing. And futures operation guide is also there. I provided the link though, and this guide is going to help you to trade in futures. Okay, and let's talk about the activity 3 we have here. I don't know the page is loaded or not, so let's reload the page again so that I can get the idea. Okay, so invite friends, share 200 XNY referral bonus. Okay, so that is a portion you can get just by inviting your friends and family. So during the event, invite a friend to register and complete spot trading volume of $2,000 or futures trading volume of $10,000 to earn a 200 XNY reward. So that is fixed. So you are going to get the 200 XNY as a fixed reward. You don't have to worry about it. And Motal Madi said something in Arabic. Hold on, let me see. He just said welcome. Okay, that's so nice of you, buddy. Good morning. Okay. So there is a proportion, okay, you can clearly see out there. So if you manage to invite like 1 to 5 people, okay, so your reward is 200 XNY per person. So if you manage to invite around 6 to 20 people, your reward is going to be 300 XNY per person. Okay, and if you manage to invite more than 20 people, your reward is going to be 500 XNY tokens per person. So that's a huge deal out there. Okay, and that's a great deal, I would say. Don't miss this chance. And if you are an influencer, or if you are good enough to pursue people, or if you are good in communicating and engaging, Okay, that is for you. This thing is for everybody, and you can earn a lot from here. And they haven't mentioned any cap out there. Okay, so they haven't mentioned any cap. So if you manage to invite like 30 people, so the reward is like 15k XNY token. So the reward is going to be huge. So don't miss this chance. And there are a lot of things here. Okay, and let's talk about the notice before we move on to the page from where you are going to conduct this task. Okay, so let's talk about the notice first. So all participants need to click the join now button and complete identity verification before the event ends to be eligible for rewards. So obviously from join now, you will be clicking the join now, and then you will be finding this interface. Okay, so this is a trading competition page. Okay, so the main page, and here you have to do what? You have to click on the join now, and if you click on the join now, the system is going to track your data or track your trading data on XNY. If you don't click on this join now button, and if you keep generating XNY trading volume, it is not going to track you. Okay, so obviously you have to click join now first, and then after that, if you are doing this task, the system is going to track you. Okay, so without activating or without clicking the or without registering, if you manage to generate volume, so it is for nothing. Okay, hold on. Okay, in the meantime, if you got queries, questions, anything related to this, just ask. Okay, I'll try to answer. And that's a great comeback in the market, I guess. USA and China has agreed to a tariff pause. Okay, so they are going to pause the tariff for 90 more days. I think this is going to have a pause into the market. Okay, so let's see how it reacts, how the market reacts. Then about the trading volume. Okay, so the trading volume is going to be calculated as follows, like buy volume plus sell volume. Okay, and the total reward for this event is 2 million XNY tokens. Rewards will be distributed within 14 working days after the campaign ends. Okay, so within 14 days you are going to get your rewards, so nothing to worry about in that case. Okay, nothing to worry about in that case. The use of duplicate accounts and any other cheating behaviors, such as inflation of trading volume, bulk registration of fake accounts, self-trading, order matching, etc., are strictly prohibited. Multiple accounts with the same identity verification information will be treated as the same account. Sub accounts cannot participate in this activity. Okay, so remember that. So if you are, if you are falling into this one of these criteria, yes, definitely you are not eligible. Okay, and market makers, corporate and institutional accounts, affiliate agent accounts, and sub-affiliate sub-agent accounts, partner accounts, and sub-partner accounts are not eligible to participate in this event. Okay, remember that. And if the user participates in other activities on Gate simultaneously, they will only receive the reward from the one activity. Okay, so the first one they have participated, the reward will be given from the past activity. Okay, and where any discrepancy arises between the translated versions and the original English version, the English version shall prevail. Remember that. And Gate reserves all rights to the final explanation. So nothing wrong in here. And this event is not affiliated with Apple Incorporation. Remember that. Users in the United Kingdom and other restricted locations cannot access the services, including the participation in this event or competition. See the user agreement for further details on restricted locations. We do not intend to solicit or conduct marketing towards customers in these restricted locations. So, one thing, if you are having, event time changes or any date schedule changes on your app, that's probably because of your local version. So only follow the English version. And about the restricted locations, okay, so the scenario can be like this. Like a few days ago, you were accessing everything from your phone, but suddenly you saw that events are not showing up and things are getting, changed. So most probably, what would be the problem here? Yes, the problem is like your region has been listed as a restricted location. Okay, so if you are falling into this kind of restricted regions, try to contact with the customer support as soon as possible. Okay, so and resolve the issue. So then it cannot hurt you furthermore. So this is the official interface. Okay, so obviously you have to click here, and from there, how you can actually share. Okay, so you can share just by clicking here. If you click here, it is going to generate a random text as well. Alongside, you will see so many share options. Like you can also copy the link. You can also download this template. You can also share it to Square directly from here. You can also share it to Telegram, WhatsApp, X, or previously Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Line, and you can also share through emails as well. So a lot of options out there for sharing. Okay. And event rules are as follows. This event rules, we have already talked about this. Okay, and let's go through this. Yes, we have already talked about this. That the first activity was raised to the XNY trading leaderboard for 1.6 million XNY as prizes. Gate user said hello. Welcome, buddy. And during this event, users who have no less than 5,000 XNY spot trading volume can share the 1.6 million XNY rewards based on their XNY spot trading volume ranking. Okay, and about the details, we have already talked about this. So details are as follows. Like for first three positions, the requirements are given here, and the rewards are also given here. And for 4th to 15th position, the rewards are there is a total reward and it is going to be equally shared. Okay, equally shared. And from rest of the from 51 to rest, it is going to be like the rewards are going to be from 925k XNY tokens. Okay, and obviously you have to generate more than $5,000 as a volume, trading volume out there. And the activity 2 was like exclusive benefit for newcomers, so share extra 200k XNY rewards. So if you're a newcomer, it is for you. Okay, so during this event, new users who register and reach spot trading volume of 2,000 or futures trading volume of $10,000 will receive a 1,000 XNY reward. The total prize pool is 200k XNY tokens, and it is fast come fast serve. Okay, so be sure to look into this thing. And Lily021214 said, should we hold or sell? It would be better to you don't hold. Okay, so don't hold. And if you are generating the volume, okay, so quickly sell this. Okay, and about the third activity, it was like invite friends, share 200k XNY referral bonus. Okay, so during this event, invite a friend to register and the complete spot trading volume of $2,000 or futures trading volume of $10,000 to earn 200 XNY as a reward. The more friends you invite, the more rewards you can earn. Rewards are distributed on first come first serve basis. Okay, so Bitcoin's price is dropping, by the way, so that is not at all a good thing. Good news for us. So if you invite around 1 to 5 people, you can earn 200 XNY per person. If you invite around 6 to 20 people, you can earn 300 XNY per person. And if you manage to invite more than 20 people, you can earn up to 500 XNY per person. That's a great deal out there, right? So invite as much as you can, and you know how to invite. Just click on this invite now, and it is going to generate a referral link. It is going to generate a referral link, and copy this referral link and then just join. Okay, that's how you do things out there. And this is the current condition of XNY. Okay, this is the current condition, and it is there. Market has no volume, no such volume. Okay, so you just have to wait. You just have to wait. Nothing else you can do right now. The market needs enough volume, then we can move forward. And as so many confirmations are on hold, so we have to wait a little bit. But if you are only here up onto generating volume, yes, it should be your deal. Okay, so do all those stuff as quickly as possible. Okay. So that was the announcement done by Gate before launching XNY or Codatta. Okay, so let's see what information we have here. Like Codatta is a decentralized protocol and data infrastructure platform that empowers users to securely transform their knowledge into digital assets and earn ongoing royalties through AI applications. So that's great. And we have the website out there, Twitter link, token ID. Token has launched on BSC. Let's see the token details out there. I mean, if it takes too much time, I'll be closing this, so we can just move forward to the official website. Looks like it is going to take eternity. So this is the official website. Why it is all white out there? I think I have to reload this. So reloading it cannot solve this issue, I guess. So this is the interface of Codatta. Okay, so knowledge layer for AI. So your knowledge, your data asset, endless AI royalties. If you want to build, yes, just click on start building. And if you want to know about that, there are the docs out there. Yes. Okay. So on-chain commitment lineage is a transparent traceability for knowledge data quality, contributor responsibility, and fair rewards. That's great. So many layers out there. So role. So, knowledge provider provides structured knowledge that goes beyond basic leveling, offering reasoning, evidence, and domain expertise. And these contributions supply advanced intelligence to improve foundational AI models, helping them evolve from generalists to specialists. That's great. And quality is like verification, a critical step led by human experts or specialized AI agents. This process checks attached evidence, evaluates reasoning, and identifies errors in submitted knowledge to ensure high quality trustworthy data. And stacking as confidence, so an optional but powerful economic security layer. Knowledge providers can stack tokens to signal confidence in their contributions. Okay, so misaligned or low quality claim risk slashing. This feature, co-developed with EigenLayer, so reinforces trust without compromising privacy. That's great, and that is the main part, right? So we can't compromise any of our privacy out there. And majority voting so aggregates diverse perspectives from multiple independent knowledge providers by factoring in contributor reputation. This uh, this consensus mechanism reliably boosts data quality through distributed validation. That's great out there. And if we talk about the knowledge verifier KB, you can see reviews and verifies the knowledge provided, assessing reasoning, checking evidence, and ensuring accuracy. KBs can be domain experts or specialized AI agents, playing a key role in boosting data quality and trust. That's great. Sorry. So from knowledge to specialized AI. So domain knowledge turn general models into specialists by teaching, guiding, grounding, and testing. So you are here to develop your AI models. Okay, so you can develop your AI models through them. So RAG, prompting, evaluation, many more. Every model decision reflects past knowledge, so it enables tracing each inference back to the data behind it, ensuring fair credit at the inference level. So that is the one way to do it. Okay, so if it does not have any track, so how they can correlate things, right? So if you are training a model on medical purposes, okay, and yeah, and if you find out that it is actually getting and it is actually going out of the flow and talking some engineering stuff, so that is not going to be an proper thing, right? Here you can see flexible payout options, so supports multiple reward types, stable coins, liquidity tokens, or royalty based payments, adaptable to diverse business models and deployment environments. So impact based rewards are like this, like beyond access or visibility. Contributors earn based on how their knowledge powers real world outcomes. Rewards are distributed per actual inference impact, measured and attributed on chain. Then comes the royalty based payment. So data is asset generating future returns. So problem like AI earns forever of big tech companies. Okay, so aligned interest between AI and human. Wow, fine. Then privacy preserving transparency. So on-chain commitment, encrypted payload, hybrid storage with smart contract address access. Okay, so an on-chain commitment like KP0, KP1, KP1. Okay, KP2. That's how the flow goes on. And tradable on-chain assets. tradable on-chain assets. You can see like knowledge baker. Gate is KB, backs knowledge with capital, stacking on its future impact and earning a share of AI generated returns. That's a great thing. Collective ownership, revenue sharing, knowledge data exchange, and open protocol to power decentralized AI. So a network of knowledge contributors, like 300k plus verified contributors, quality assurance workflow, decentralized data infrastructure, data asset certification. Nice. And this was the roadmap, by the way. And I don't know why they are outperforming that much, but I think there is going to be a comeback. So let's stick to the plan. So community driven data pipeline. Okay, so annotations 560 millions. So categorized 95. So high risk addresses are 46 million, and supported networks are 35. That's great. So you can connect with them through these socials. Okay. And lastly, there was an alpha event. Okay, so there was an alpha event. So let's talk about it quickly, and then I'll be giving a recap on the whole thing. And obviously, I'll be also talking about the ongoing launch poll, launchpad, holder airdrop, and candidate of events. Okay, so hang in there. So Gate Alpha listed XNY, trade to share around 2 million XNY airdrops. Okay, so this is for Gate Alpha. Okay, so unfortunately the event has already ended. Okay, you don't have to worry about this. But what could have you have earned? What could have been earned from here? I'll be sharing. Okay. And we have been missing so many alpha drops recently. Okay. But you guys make sure to turn the notification on, or set notifications for this kind of events. Okay. And you will get this option on your app. Okay. So try to turn the notification icon on. So, okay. So they say you must click the join now button to participate in the event and receive rewards. Okay, that's great. And reward one is like top 100 win airdrop 5000 XNY. Okay, so during the event, among users who trade XNY in Gate Alpha zone with the cumulative XNY buy volume more or equal to 500 USDT, and obviously you have to generate more volume to rank among top 100. Okay, and the top 100 is going to get airdrop of 5000 XNY for each person. That's great. And the reward 2 is like first 1000 traders get airdrop of 1000 XNY tokens. So during the event, users who trade XNY on Gate Alpha with cumulative XNY buy volume more or equal to 100 USDT get airdrop of 1000 XNY. Total 1000 spots, so first come first serve. Okay. And trade check-in to share 500 XNY. So during the event, daily cumulative XNY buy volume should be more than 200 USDT counts as a successful check-in. Accumulate 3+ check-ins to share 500k XNY with rewards proportional to your check-in days. Okay, so max reward per user is 2000 XNY. So this is the easiest task among all those three. Okay, this was the easiest task among all those three. So check-in rules like the trading statistics period from 0 ETC to 23.59 ETC. Okay, so daily counts as the one check-in day. Reward 1, reward 2, and reward 3 can be obtained simultaneously. And how to participate in Gate Alpha trading? So please go to Gate Alpha section, search for XNY and participate in trading. That's it. The above token information is contributed by community enthusiasts. For corrections, please contact customer service promptly. And there is an attention, so let's go through it. All participants must complete the identification verification before they can receive rewards. Rewards will be distributed within 14 working days after the end of the event. Users entering Gate Alpha for the first time need to read and complete the innovative transaction disclaimer as guided and sign the relevant user agreement. The token project of Gate Alpha may have significant risk and fluctuations, so please invest cautiously based on a full understanding of the risk. Okay. Bulk registration of small accounts, malicious wash trading, self-trading, and other cheating behaviors are strictly prohibited. Multiple accounts of the same same verified user will be treated as the same account. If a user participates in multiple events held during the same period, the rewards of multiple event participation are not supported for duplicate claims. Only the rewards for a single event participation are supported. Okay, so if you're participating in any alpha event, make sure to stick to one. Okay. So if there is any discrepancy between the translated versions and the English original, the English version shall prevail. So always follow the English version one. And Gate reserves the sole discretion and right to interpret this event and activity, and has the right to modify relevant terms or cancel the event without prior notice. And the event is not related to Apple Incorporation. Users in the UK and other restricted areas cannot use all or part of the services, including participation in this event, games, or competitions. For detailed information about restricted areas, please read user agreement. Please note that we do not intend to solicit or market to customers in such restricted areas. Okay, remember that. It does not do this, and if you find out anything like this, definitely it's gonna be a scam or something like this. Okay, so there is a continuous drop, and it's going to recover from here. So I'm having network issues once again. Nice frame drop. Why this is not loading? Watch out, it made a breakdown. Someone just sold their holding. So the market cap is $6 million. Circulating supply is 2.5 billion XNY tokens. Issue price was 0.01. But they are far away from the issue price. Okay. Wow. And maximum supply was 10 billion XNY tokens. So let's see what they do in the near future. Okay, so we can wish the very best luck to them, right? And they are the team members. You can see they're visible. So Yi Zhang, okay, and Justin TS and Paul Bang. Okay, so they are the team members. Okay. Okay, so we have 4 ongoing launch posts. They are D-Labs, DMC, Nero, and ELB. Okay, fine. And what else we have here? We have so many interesting stuff. So on the left side, we have the reward tokens. Okay, so all D labs, DMC, Nero, PLP, they are reward tokens, and on the right side we have the stacking tokens. Okay, so here you can see Ethereum, D labs itself, USDT, they are all stacking tokens, and you guys are going to stack there. And one thing is important. Okay, so you have the stake coin and reward coin same as here. Okay, so yes, it can be, I mean, it is going to use for increasing your amount, or you can also use your side. Okay, so left sides are the reward tokens. So launch pools, I mean, if you are stacking here, you'll be getting rewards each hour. So that is this is, then we have, sorry, hold on, then we have holder airdrop. Okay, then we have holder airdrop, and on holder airdrop we have in progress one. So one is two, I guess. One is WXTM, and the other one is now race. Okay, so they're going to get listed. By the way, they're going to get listed, and there's an upcoming one which is okay, what is wrong with this page? I don't know. Okay, something is wrong with the data out there. Okay, so but the thing is, we have ongoing this, and how you have to do, you have to hold at least 1 GD to be eligible for a holder airdrop. And I mean, if you're holding GD, that is not going to solve anything. Okay, you have to click on this thing. Okay, so quick claim. If you quick claim all this, and the system is going to track your GT holding. So if you're holding a lot of GDs and you are not claiming this, you are not going to get reward from stable. For that, everything is gonna be and things gonna change. Things can change. So you have to be cautious about this thing. Okay, so far we have 3 projects like this: ECA, Pump, and PFPS. Okay, pumpers. Lastly, we have Candid Hub, and on Candid Hub, this is particularly for the traders. Okay, so you'll find out so many trading related tasks like futures trading volume generation task, spot trading volume generation task, and I mean a depositing task, and then invitation task, and I mean a depositing task, and then invitation task, referral task. Okay, so both the same, by the way, and lastly the daily check-in task. Okay, so you'll find different type of tasks on different projects. Okay, so try to participate on all those. Remember, this is the highest paid thing out there. Okay, so make sure to join it, okay, and get the best out of it. So that's it, guys. We have done enough review on this. So that's it, guys. We have done enough review on this Codatta trading competition. Okay, so best of luck with your okay.